Hi, if you like our YouTube channel, please check and see the amazing discounts that we offer to health and wellness products in our partner shop. You will have instant access to over 35,000 products. Link in the description. Thank you so much. And now
MRM, Smart Blend, Advanced Omega-3, CLA and GLA Fatty Acid Complex, 120 Soft Gels. Product Overview Description. Advanced Omega-3, CLA, and GLA Fatty Acid Complex supports immune and cardiovascular health. Dietary supplement GMP, good manufacturing practices, produced in a certified facility. Smart Blend is a precise blend of smart fats or healthy fats. We combine exact amounts of DHA, EPA, CLA, and GLA to build a fatty acid complex that supports weight management, cardiovascular and immune health. Eating the standard American diet, SAD, creates an imbalance in our fatty acid pool and leads to our system performing poorly. Regular supplementation with Smart Blend Registered can help support a balanced lipid pool, which is required for whole body balance and cellular function. Icosapentaenoic, EPA, and docosahexaenoic, DHA, are omega-3 fatty acids that are necessary for cardiovascular, joint, and cognitive health. The precise ratio of EPA and DHA made from only the highest performance fish oils make the backbone to Smart Blend, providing structure and function for better system performance. Conjugated minoleic acid, CLA, is a beneficial fatty acid commonly found in meat and dairy products, but it is actually difficult to get an effective amount through diet alone. CLA is an essential part of a healthy lifestyle with regular exercise and a balanced diet. Gamma-linolenic acid, GLA, is an omega-6 fatty acid that is good for you by supporting your body's natural protective healing process. While balancing out the fatty acid profile for Smart Blend, GLA supports cardiovascular, joint, and immune health while eliciting powerful antioxidant activity. Suggested use: take 2 soft gels with a meal up to 3 times daily. For maximum benefits, take 4 soft gels up to 3 times daily or as directed by your qualified healthcare provider. Other ingredients: Softgel is made of gelatin. Contains no solvent residues, milk, egg, peanut, tree nut, shellfish, soy, wheat, gluten, yeast, artificial flavors or colors. Contains fish, anchovies, mackerel, sardines. Disclaimer: while iHerb strives to ensure the accuracy of its product images and information, some manufacturing changes to packaging and/or ingredients may be pending update on our site. Although items may occasionally ship with alternate packaging, freshness is always guaranteed. We recommend that you read labels, warnings and directions of all products before use and not rely solely on the information provided by iHerb.